today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate both PayFast and PayPal onto your e-commerce website. So if you are based in South Africa and you would like to sell products to South Africans in rands and anyone outside South Africa you want to charge in dollars, then this is the video for you. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to make sure that you have WooCommerce installed onto your WordPress website. Once you have the WooCommerce plugin installed onto your website, you need to make sure that you have the PayFast plugin installed as well. If you are going to be using anything other than PayFast, like Zapper or SnapScan, then you need to make sure those plugins are installed on your website. Once you have those plugins installed on your website, the next plugin to install is the price based on country for WooCommerce. Once you have all these plugins installed onto your website, it's time to start setting them up. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is you're going to need your PayFast integration settings and your PayPal integration settings. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to set up PayFast. So what you're going to do is you are going to log into your PayFast account and then you are going to go to settings in the top right and go to integration. Once you've gone there, you are going to come to WooCommerce, come to settings and come to the fourth tab, which is your payment tab. Once you're in the Payments tab, you're going to come down to PayFast. You're going to enable your PayFast gateway, and then you are going to click Setup. Once you are in the PayFast settings, you are going to scroll down, uncheck the PayFast sandbox, and then you are going to pop in the merchant ID, merchant key, and passphrase, and then you are going to click Save Changes. And you are going to get those settings from your integration settings in PayFast. Okay, so once you have set up PayFast, the next thing is to set up PayPal. So you're going to come to your general tab here, so your first tab, and this is where you are going to change your currency to United States, so dollars or anything outside South Africa, and you are going to change your country to anywhere outside South Africa. So let's just say United States, and I'm going to choose California, and I'm going to click Save Changes. Then we are going to come back to our fourth tab, the Payments tab, and we are going to set up PayPal. So we do need to install the PayPal plugin. So we can come down here and we can get started here with the PayPal plugin. Okay, so once we've clicked Get Started, then we are going to connect to PayPal. So make sure you are logged in. We're just going to connect. It's then going to go to our browser, ask us to log into PayPal, and then we will log into PayPal and just connect that. Okay, so my PayPal has been linked and so has my PayFast. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our general tab is set to South Africa because that is our main country we will be selling from. So it is South Africa. Then we are going to scroll down and we need to make sure that the default customer location is geolocate. So that means that when someone lands on the website, then it is going to pick up their IP address and it's going to change the currency to wherever they are based. So if they are in South Africa, it will be in South African rands. And if they are outside South Africa, then it will be in US dollars or whatever currency you wish. So the default currency is going to be South African rands. And then we are going to click Save Changes. Okay, so the next tab we're going to look at is our zone pricing. So this is the last tab in your WooCommerce settings. And then we are going to set where the price is based on. So we are going to set it so the customer billing country is what the pricing should be. We are going to apply our exchange rate to our shipping costs, and then we are going to click Save Changes. Next tab we are going to look at is our pricing zones. So this is the second tab along, and your pricing zone is a group of countries to which you sell your products at a different price or a different country, so a currency. So if we are going to be selling to anyone outside South Africa, that is going to be in US dollars. So we are going to add a pricing zone, and we are going to call it rest of the world. If yours is the UK, then you will choose the UK and you will set the currency to pounds, Australia to Australian dollars, and anywhere in Europe is obviously euros. So I'm going to select all the countries because everything outside South Africa will be charged in US dollars, and then I will scroll down and I will remove South Africa. Okay, and then I will set the currency to US dollars. And then 1 South African rand will be today's exchange rate, 0.0063. Click Save Changes, and now you can see your pricing zone. It's set to 1 rand is 0.063 US dollars. Okay, so then the next thing to do is to add our products. So we will come to products and we will add a new product, and I'm just going to create a test product. So test, we are going to scroll down, and then in our product data, we're going to call this a simple product. In rands, it's going to be 500 rands. And for the rest of the world, I can set a manual price of perhaps $50, and then I am going to publish this product. Let's have a view at this product, and you can see that is $50. So I'm going to go add this to my basket. I'm going to view my basket, proceed to checkout, and then I am going to change this country or region to South Africa. And you'll notice that switches to 500 Rand. If I go anywhere else, that changes to $50, and my PayPal should come up. So that hasn't been set up properly. So I need to go back in and just set up my PayPal accordingly. And then people can pay via PayPal if they're outside the country. And if they're in South Africa, they can pay by PayFast, Zapper, or SnapScan, whichever gateway you choose to use.